Sleepy Joe is Leetcode. This is where all the programmers go to prepare for their interviews.
Interview, I thought you were running for president, not trying to be a software developer.
So, just in case, Sleepy Joe programming sharpens the mind, and I need my brain to be hella sharp when I debate Kamala in a few months.
Oh, I get it. You think you're going to lose the election, right?
Shut the fuck, Joe. I never said that. Let's read the question, all right?
Given an array of integer numbers and an integer target, return indicises of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order.
Well, Joe, this is such an obvious question. Just compare every number with each other, and you will eventually find the answer. This is easy peasy cheesy, and all you need is some common sense, which the liberal left lacks these days.
Common sense, take a look at yourself, Donald. Have you said anything that has made any common sense these past few months? Nope, all you do is to yap all day and hope that no one sees through your bullshit, Donald.
Oh, shut your fucking ass up. Joe, now, let's get on with this question, shall we? Prepare to witness the genius of the dawn manifest itself. Mm-hmm. Wait, what the fuck? What the fuck? How's this possible?
On your code is a bunch of malarkey, where you compare two numbers directly without using any indices would result in the same number being compared with itself. It will result in the same number getting compared with itself. Take a look at example 2. The first entry in this array is 3, and when you compare it with itself, it would add up to 6. That will trick your algorithm into thinking that it has found the target.
All right, Joe, now
which it hasn't.
Shut up. A simple fix will get everything back on track, just like how my presidency will make America great again. Holy shit, this is actually so fucking rigged, and it is returning nothing. How's that possible?
Another problem with your code is that you're using the index method, which is pretty darn stupid, if I am going to be honest. Take a look at test case 3.
All right, shut the hell up, Joe.
No, I don't think I will. You should be the one buttoning your lip if you want to actually learn anything. Let's run through the code. And also, your code still compares a number with itself. Anyways, let's say number is the first 3 and number 2 is the second 3. So the first part of the if statement passes, correct? However, the index method gets the index of the first instance of what it is trying to find. For the second half of the statement would still return false, causing the program to return nothing.
You must have spent years trying to learn all this shit because you are just a fucking puppet for the Democrat elites and the big corporations, so you don't have to even do anything all. You're one completely useless president.
Well, Donald, say what you want about my presidency. I won the election fair and square, and I'm better than you at coding. Take the L the second time, Donald, just like you will take the L again when you lose to Kamala this November. All that needs to be done.
All right, fine. Show me your quote-unquote genius.
So take your common sense idea and make sure that a number is never getting added to itself. And for that reason, I'm going to use 2 for loops within the indices.
But why the fuck are you doing for range? Starting at 1 for
Because, Donald, we don't have to compare numbers that we already went through. It takes the elementary schooler level of thinking to understand.
Gosh, Sleepy Joe, it's always you in elementary schools.
Anyway, let's run it.
There's no fucking way that's going to work. There's actually not. It worked how?
For attitude itself, and I'm not using the index method.
All right, you sick of this? I'm going to go to rant on Twitter now.